What if you could upgrade your spoken English right now? Are you tired of using the same boring phrases you memorized from a textbook? The real gap between sounding like a student and sounding truly fluent is all about the small, everyday words we choose. With just 3 simple tweaks, you can immediately sound more confident. Alright, our first upgrade, someone asks, "How are you?" And your brain automatically fires back, "I'm fine, thank you." Let's stop. This is a total conversation killer. If you've had a brilliant week, try, "I'm doing great, thanks," or "couldn't be better." For average days, can't complain or same old, same old. Our second upgrade, ditch good and bad. Instead of good, try lovely, wonderful, or incredible. Instead of bad, use awful or terrible. These words carry emotional weight and make your stories more vivid. Our final upgrade, soften "I don't like it." Instead of harsh "I don't like it," try "It's not really my thing, it's not my cup of tea," or "I think I'll pass." These handle social situations with confidence and grace. Here's my challenge. In the comments below, use one of your new phrases. Tell me about your day without using "I'm fine," or describe a movie without good or bad. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. Remember, sounding fluent isn't about memorizing thousands of words, it's about mastering the common language people use to connect. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.